Good morning again, grade six online learners and face-to-face students. Right, let's continue with what we had discussed last meeting. Right, we are now in creating a blank document using Google Docs. Sure. You want to telling you that will be using an online word processor or word processor. So what word processors in the Google. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. These are actually steps, right? But we will still do this one. Okay. We'll have an activity wherein you need to create a Google Doc, an account from the Google. You need to create your own. And then you create a document, a Google document, an online document, and then you copy the link and give it or accept in documents. Right? So in creating document again, let me do it um this way. Let's have it this way. The actual. Okay. So this is your Google environment, the search bar,
Morning.
address bar is the address bar of Google and the search bar. Okay. As you can see,
Morning.
good morning, Elijah. As you can see, there is a menu button here which says Google Apps. So we can actually access all the Google applications, right? So all you have to do from the very top, okay, when you visit google.com, you should log in your account. This is my account, okay? You should log in your account, after which you click on the button, the menu button, which you can access all the applications or Google applications. Click on the Google Drive. Okay. Clicking on the Google Drive will directly to what is inside your Google Drives. Okay. Sure, can you create document? In creating a Google Doc or a Google document, you click the plus sign. There is plus sign here. Okay. You just click the plus sign. Okay. We did this one the last time, right? Okay. Click the plus sign and choose Google Docs. Okay, it will route you directly to the Google Docs. This is how Google documents. Okay, this is the environment of the Google document or Google Docs. Right? Same as MS Office or MS Word or Microsoft Word. It has actually the same function but limited. As you can see, it has limited features. But still, you can put your projects there or your documents there. Okay. All right. This is the title bar or the header. You can actually rename your document. Like for example, sample. Okay. This is your sample document. As you can see, it will sync automatically in your Google account. All changes saved to Drive. And then you say that whatever changes you do to this document will automatically be saved in the Google Drive. Okay, let's go back to our. Are you still with me, online students?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this is the
Teacher,
environment that we are actually talking about. Okay, renaming the document. It is untitled, but we can always change, right? It it doesn't mean that if the instruction there is destination. You will do the destination report. No, that is just a example. Okay, we already have the sample document. Okay, typing the document headers. Okay, when you do the header is always on the top, right? The header will give us an idea of or initial idea of what is the document. And for instance, this one. Okay, this document has a header of destination summary. Okay, so usually the header is at the center of a document. Okay, like for instance, in our um reports, when in creating reports, so usually put the
Teacher,
title or the header at the top of the document, center align or align behind this. Okay, set the font bold. So let's take a look at this one. Set the font bold meaning you're actually making it to look like a text. Okay. Okay. So let's do it in actual. Yes, Liza.
teacher, I may not able to do it, teacher, because I'm not using computer or laptop, teacher. I'm using my tablet.
Yeah, you can always access that one also in your phone. It can be accessed in your phone.
Okay.
Yes, Alex.
I can't access MS Word because it says I need to get this Microsoft 365 thing. I
Yeah,
can
but
only view
Alex,
documents, but I cannot type.
we are not
I
using Microsoft Office here. We
oh
are using Google Docs.
oh
Are
yeah,
you
docs.
following with what we are actually doing here, Alex?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we're using Google Docs. Google Docs is a freeware. When you're talking about freeware, it will give you the service in for free. You can access that one anytime in your phone and even in your PCs. Okay, let's do it in actual. So this is our sample document. Okay, let's have this one. For instance, I will make a header. So my header is final grade in computer science. So how can you make it bold? You highlight the words. Okay, it's already highlighted. And there is a bold button there. Okay, bold button. So you just click on the bold button. It will actually becomes bold. And of course, headers usually has big fonts. So you just click the plus sign here to increase the font size. Yes. Does it still work when you type it in the Control V space? Control. I have Control B. Yeah, of course. The shortcut, still, it will work. Control B. Okay. And to increase the size, we just click the plus sign. Okay. I'll make it 14. Okay. And of course, if it is a header, it should always be at the center of the document. So you click center. Center align or align at the center. You have now your header, which is final grade computer 6. Let's go back. Okay. Headers of the body will usually follow the main points the outline we have made, okay? So here in our example, we have the geographical information, okay? Just like this, okay? Inserting images or inserting text in some of the boxes can be done also in Google Docs. Okay, inserting or to insert a table, and for instance, we need to insert a table, you just click on insert and table, you click on the table. So just, for instance, this one. Okay, let me share again my Google Doc. It says here final grade in computer 6. So let's insert a table because suppose to be inserted the final grade in computer 6. Insert and there is a table there. Okay, click on the table and how many tables or how many rows and columns do you want? Okay, I will make 3 by 2. Okay, 3 columns, 2 rows or 3 by 3. 3 columns, 3 rows. So there you go. Okay. There's, we'll label the first column student's name. The second column, final grade. And the third column, remarks. And that's how we insert table. Okay. So in our table, as you can see, we have headers already. Okay. Or in our document, we have already have a headers. We also have the table. So in this sense, you can actually use this document as a table for the final grade. Right? Just input the name of the students, followed by the final grades, and their remarks if they pay for us. Okay? How can we extend the number of tables? The same as using MS Word. You just need to click this over. Okay? How can you put another rows? Okay? You just click the tab button. Tab button, same as using MS Word, tab button, and it will extend. Okay, it will add up rows. Yes. How do you make it then bigger? What do you need? The text or the table? You want to make it big? Okay. Same as using your MS Word, it has mostly functions that you can extend the table. You can expand. The word is expand the table. So you just wait for this icon. Okay. Point your cursor on the table's length or width rather, and hold left key button in your mouse, drag it down. Save as your MS Word application. What makes this beneficial? What can this benefit us? What do you think is the main purpose of having this? Yes. Your most formal ways, yes. What is the difference between this Google Docs and your Microsoft Office document? Agree, yeah, that's one convenience that we actually have. What is online students? What is the edge between this Google Docs versus MS Word? Online students?
Uh, maybe
Come again, Alex?
Google. Maybe Google Docs is free.
It is already given that it's
Yeah.
free. Any other idea?
Uh, they both operate similarly.
They're both.
They're both pretty similar.
Okay. You have also a point. How about others? Thank you, Alex. Okay. What is the edge between Google Docs and in this word? Simple. Yes, that's you can access it anywhere. Your Google, your Microsoft Office, Microsoft, you need to have the application. If you don't have application, then you cannot actually do it. Like for instance, your teacher asked you to do a summary of your discussion, summary of the lesson. Because you are late coming to school, you forgot to save your file in your computer. When you arrive at school, you did notice that you didn't have the report in your phone or in your flash drive or your drive. Flash drive, it's the term for your storage. Okay? It's not USB. Okay? It's not it's not USB. This is USB. Okay? Universal Serial Bus. Flash drive is your storage device. You didn't actually see the flash drive. So you got zero in your class. One. One convenient feature of Google Docs is that you can just carry them virtually. Sure. What is carrying virtually? You can open them anywhere as long as you have the because they are actually stored in your flash drive. It is not stored in my flash drive. It is stored in your device. Device. This is the stored in the device. Yes. File server, no. File server is not storage. It is stored in your Google, the Google Docs. It is stored in your HP. We didn't store it in the USB. We didn't have USB. This is not a storage device. This is actually a receiver from my computer. What is that? Yes, definitely. It's stored in your Google account. So you can access this anytime, anywhere, if you have internet. So many can say that you can access this in your phone. You can access this in your PC because it's stored in your Google account. As long as you have your Google account, as long as you have your emails, you can access it. You can access it once. That's the end of Google Docs. Okay? This is stored in your cloud storage. Your cloud storage in Google or Google Corporation is your Google Drive. That's the cloud storage. When I say cloud storage, these are online storage. You don't have it physically. It is not physically a file, but With the aid of the technology, with the aid of Google, this made available offline. Sure, how can we make this available offline? Because you cannot work also with Google Docs. This is the downside. You cannot work with Google Docs if you are offline. How can you work offline? Or how can you have the Apple Fire? You can always download the Apple Fire. Yes, you can now access it offline in your phone. You can change. You will have the full authority to change your document. But if you not update your Google Docs account, Docs document will not be updated because you don't do that a file, a copy of that one. Then you can only update this if you can access it online. Have you seen the edge? You um in my class. Okay.
It's like they not it's not properly.
You're interested because it's not around 5 a.m.
Don't even sleep anymore.
Okay, again, this is the edge. You see the edge on top. We'll continue part of having Google Docs. That's more actually teach you to use maximizing coding. That's the main reason also why the school during enrollment time is asking for your Google account, asking your Google email or Gmail. Okay, because we'll be using that one in your computer class. Right? Do you have any questions so far? Online students and face-to-face? How about online students? Okay, hopefully we can
No.
maximize the usage of our Google accounts with Google Docs. Actually, your Google account is not limited only for um the Google Docs. There are a lot of documents that you can actually do. Okay, we can have the Google Sheets. This is the MS Excel. Okay, similar to MS Excel. It has also Google Slides, similar to your PowerPoint presentation, MS PowerPoint presentation, or Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. You can also have your Google Forms. Google Forms is actually used if you want to have easy read. In fact, our main space of the difference between in our guide. So we just make Google Form, send it to the firm, and they can display. And the feedback will be sent to you the same report. Or I already used this one before on pandemic time and before pandemic, you usually will use Google Form for the exams. There are exams form. And then you take the exam, and automatically the result will be sent to my email or my Google account. Okay, what else? There are a lot of we have Google Drawings, Google Maps, okay, Google Jamboard. Yes, of course. Okay. How can you access your Google Keep, by the way? Yeah. Keep. Correct. This sense you can actually have your Google Keep. Yeah. What is the importance of having again Google Keep? What is the importance of having Google?
You can write anything and anything you can investigator, the investigator deleted or you change the
Keep? You can always put your notes there, and you can access that one anytime. That's like this. I put your notes in. Of course, it will see everywhere now. Question so far? It's almost time. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we already discussed this one. By the way, as you can mention, this is steps. When you say steps, these are the procedure to follow. Okay, but these are just samples. Do not be like that. These are just samples. We will be having the step-by-step procedures. Okay. Same as your MS Word, it has also a function that you can make a table or column. Okay, you can actually arrange your text into column. For instance, this one. Okay, let me share again. Let's create a column. Page 2. Let's create a column. How can you um organize your text into two columns? You just need to let's put a text here. Wait, let me copy a text. Mhm. Let's copy a text here. For instance, this is your document, right? So let's create. Okay, this is your document. It's too long. Okay, how can you make this not small? How can you organize this into two columns? Okay, so you just highlight your text,
You copy.
highlight the text. It's too long.
Same.
Oh, that's a lot of text.
Oh,
Right? After highlighting it, click on the toolbar here, format toolbar. Okay, and there is a function there named columns. Okay, click on two columns. You can actually make it three or two. So you just click on columns, two columns. So automatically, it will change your document into, or it will arrange your text into two columns. You're not looking at two columns. Yes, there.
can you, like, no, no. Yes.
I copied that one in my whole document. Do you have any questions so far? Again, you can access your columns under format, format, and columns. Okay, the same as your MS Word application. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. Creating a table, we already done that one. Okay. Bulleted lists. Okay. Your bulleted list, the same, right? Let's have it in actual. Let me share again my screen. Are you still following, online students?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Let's have a bulleted outline. Like for instance, I want this bulleted. Okay. We just highlight it over. Okay. Highlight the text. And the bullet function, okay, is in here. Bulleted lists. You just click on it and it will convert your text or um your word into a bulletin. Sure, why it's only one bullet? Because again, it will detect, okay, the sequence of your text. So how can I make another bulleted text? Is to enter. Okay. When you click enter, it will actually make a bullet on it. Works.
That's about the aurora.
Yeah, but it is not part for like from grade 10. It's like a spectrum. Okay, let's go back. What else? So these are the things that you can actually maximize. You can also click on the numbered lists. We have numbers also. We can always do that. Let's go back to the sample document. So instead of having bullet, you can actually change this one into numbered lists. So it will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So and so on. Okay. Do you have any questions so far? How about online
No,
students?
teacher. No.
Make sure that you understand the concept because we'll be doing an activity after the discussion. Type in the data and already this one. Okay. Sharing a report. Okay. The last phase, remember the phases. What is the first phase? Okay. Checking out variables. What is the first phase?
Somebody report.
Assembling a report. The second phase. What is the second phase? What is the second phase? The third phase. Okay. The third phase is your sharing a report. Okay, so how can you share a report? Okay. This is downloading the Google document, but if you want to share your report, okay, you need to make a sharing Google document. Okay, click on share and share bullet, calculate, paste, and send. But else you need to make it public because it cannot be viewed by your classmate or the one that you actually or your recipients. Okay, how can you make it public? Okay, let's have this one. For instance, we'll be sharing this document. Okay. You need to go back to your Google Doc or Google Drive. You look for the document that we created. So we created sample document, correct? Right click, okay? There is a share button there. You click on share. Are you still following? Click on share, and then it says here restricted, meaning to say that you are the only one who can open the document. So if you mention someone, it will not. Okay, this is because this is restricted. Okay, you just click on the restricted button. Okay, and change it to anyone with the link. So anyone with the link can actually view it. Now it is still not, but it's doable. So your student can actually view it, but they cannot download it. How can you make it downloadable? You change the viewer to editor. So now your document is in, or it is now. Okay, you copy the links and paste it to your. Okay. So in that sense, you're making your document public and you're making your document downloadable. Make sure that you're taking down notes. Do you have any questions so far? Online students?
No.
Okay, I think we discussed a lot. Expect for an activity by next meeting, hopefully. You can do the activity. Alright? Prepare your Google accounts. Again, prepare your Google accounts. You need to have your own Google account. Am I making that clear?
Yes.
Okay, we still have 2 minutes left. I think that will be all for today, class. Please stand for the prayer. The Father and the Lord, we pray for you. Glory to the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Thank you, goodbye, class. Please arrange your chairs, take your seats, and wait for your next teacher.